What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kevin Manders, with another What's in My Football Bag. So, like and subscribe. Let's go on to my little bag. It's not much, it just has my clothes, headphones, and slides. So it has my socks, slides, shorts, headphones, radio headphones, and shirt. Alright, now I have Franklin 1000 football. Now my youth large shoulder pads and shut back plate. Shut back plate. My shut helmet that has Buccaneer decal stickers and golden visor. I could show you with it on what it looks like with it on. That's what it looks like with it on. And I do have a mouth guard. Somewhere. Here's my mouth guard. I do have a water bottle, Buccaneers Gatorade water bottle, but I don't know where it's at. Alright, now let's get on to the big boy. Wait, let's get my cleats, my Under Armour cleats. I just got these for football and baseball. Under Armour cleats, blue and white. Now it's time for the big boy. What's in my football bag? I got my undershirt for whenever it gets cold. Got that from Riverdale High School. Got my football pants, padded pants. Got my my hoodie. Got my Super Bowl jersey. Got my regular white jersey. I got my small Buccaneers football. Alright. Well, that's going to wrap up my video for today. Like, subscribe. I want 2,000 likes and subscriptions. And comment down below what you like. Thank you.